you seen me using them? These humans, these Toastmasters in this room, they are so sensitive. They cannot even take the melody of my turning. Can you imagine? They call it noise. And you, oh my bladeless brother, said this fan to that fan. The bladed fan to the bladeless fan said, you, my bladeless brother, the only thing that is worse than not having wings in this world is having them, but still not able to fly. When all of this was going on, the projector was keeping quiet. And the emotional atmosphere was unbearable for me. Suddenly the projector too chimed in. He said, well, you all say that the Toastmasters are very sensitive. I don't think I agree with it at all. They have been nice to me. They have been okay until now. They have at least used me occasionally for their CC8 speech. But this chap, I don't like him a bit. I mean, the projector was talking about me. He is not even using me for his CC8 speech. Now the chairs came to my rescue. They all shouted at the same time. They said that, well, it's all easy for you all to always keep complaining because you all are unique. You know who is speaking what. Look at us. Every meeting we are used without fail. The Toastmasters subject us to sheer pain through their weight. But does any of them know which one of us they are using? Does any of them know any of us from the other? Does any of them know any of our names? If only there was only one of us. Only one of us like none other. When all of this conversation was going on, the white screen over here, who was a wise old screen, was just listening. He was listening and nodding with a wise smile on his wrinkled face. He then finally spoke. He said, enough of this bickering, enough of this fight. All of you have a reason, a purpose, a plot. Serving someone is a worthy goal to have, but a story doesn't end with a comma, or even with a full stop. It ends when you call it quits. It ends when you stop trying. Each of you has something the other one wants. The bladeless fan wants its blades back. The fan with blades wants to be used at least occasionally. The projector that is used occasionally wants to be used more regularly. And the chairs which are used very regularly want to be unique. Our unique bladeless fan, though, I'm sure it's quite unique, has other dreams. So, each of you want something the other one has. Why not try wanting the things that you have? Lift up the screen that is blocking your vision. I'm sure it was, sorry for the theatrical, it was not intended. Lift up the screen that is blocking your vision. The Buddha you seek may not be very far away. Contentment, my friends, is also not far away. If only you accept your cards and play your hand. If only you accept your cards and know they are always in your hands.